If you're a patient that's really scared of the dentist, even the thought of walking into an office or the sound of the drill, whatever it might be, is really making you nervous and anxious about your next appointment, come see us at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists. We're here to help you, and IV sedation might be a great option for you. I'm Dr. Miro, and I'm a dentist at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists. And today we're going to talk about IV sedation, the benefits, the risks, and all things involved. What is IV sedation? IV sedation is a type of sedation where we really induce relaxation and reduce our patient's anxiety during dental procedures. One thing that we like to assure our patients is that IV sedation is different than general anesthesia. So patients who are going into the hospital and having general anesthesia, IV sedation is definitely different, and really the main goal of IV sedation is just to reduce that anxiety and get rid of that stress that might be holding our patients back from getting these procedures done. Here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists, there's a lot of reasons why we recommend IV sedation to our patients. Obviously, anxiety is a big factor. If a patient's really nervous, really wants something to reduce their nerves, then IV sedation is definitely recommended. Another thing is length of procedure. If you want to have more than one procedure done at a certain time, or you're just having a procedure that's a little bit longer, then IV sedation might be recommended. For instance, patients who are getting multiple implants or multiple extractions, these are really the cases that we might want patients to get IV sedation. In general, invasive procedures and procedures that are more surgically based, IV sedation is a great option for these patients. Another reason why we do IV sedation on patients is gag reflex. A lot of patients have a serious gag reflex. It really reduces your odds of getting a gag reflex while still being awake and conscious. When patients come into our office, a lot of times they're really wondering, is IV sedation safe? And that's a common concern. We want to make sure that you feel safe. In order to have IV sedation done, the office is properly set up and equipped to take care of our patients. In addition, doctors who perform IV sedation have had extra training, extra certification in order to assure that our patients really are safe. Generally speaking, IV sedation is really safe. Here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists, patients are our priority. We make sure throughout the entire procedure you're being monitored. We have monitoring equipment that measures heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, all the things we need to assure that the patient is comfortable and safe throughout the procedure. Throughout the entire procedure, the doctors and the assistants are making sure that you are okay. They will ask you, are you okay? IV sedation is really a decision between the patient and the doctor, whether it be anxiety, medical factors, or the dental procedure that you're having done. We take all these things into consideration when recommending IV sedation to our patients. If you need IV sedation or you have any questions regarding your procedures, IV sedation, feel free to reach out to us at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists. I'm Dr. Miro, and I'm here to help you. Watch your mouth.